Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter GoPro X CHK daily weekly time frame. So the Twitter bulls not really putting much follow through together on that bullish reversal candlestick. Nice little higher low and higher high, but still rejecting from exponential resistance and still seeing lower highs. So right now our most recent lower high was 1648. Now we have a resistance at 1628. And if the bulls want to change this trend, they're going to have to form a higher low compared to the recent low of 1567 and then break this lower high pattern and see this oversold bounce play out. However, this oversold bounce isn't going to see too much upside in my opinion, because we did break the higher low pattern on the daily time frame, which shifts momentum and shifts the trend. We have all kinds of moving average resistances. It looks like a perfect storm is aligning here, where they're all going to line up around 1720 or so later this week. And we are looking at overall the weekly time frame. The fact that we broke this 1627 low, it shifts the mindset. As soon as you lose the higher low pattern, you start then looking for a lower high on any bounce that does follow through afterwards. So GoPro is still trying to establish a support. We did not see follow through, which is a bit surprising because of the market strength we saw today. But support is 961. We broke it by a few pennies, but the bulls are definitely still trying to defend a higher low with healthy consolidation on low volume after the breakout. And the bulls have to break resistance now of 995 and 998. Essentially, $10 psychological resistance needs to break for the bulls to confirm that our higher low has been established and we're ready to head back up to recent resistance. Weekly time frame, it's that 50-week resistance. Upper Bollinger Band support, 50-week resistance, getting tighter and tighter. 990 resistance and 974 support. We'll see where we close relative to those levels by the end of this week. Still 4 trading days to go, but it's very clear that that 50-week resistance has been rejecting the price for the past 2 weeks and is important for the bulls to get over if they want to see continuation. X on the daily time frame, inside bar of indecision. The bears took the upper hand with the loss of the middle Bollinger Band support on Friday, not really seeing much follow through for the bulls today in attempts to recover it, but we have an equilibrium pattern in the reaction to our earnings report. We have our high, low, lower high. The bulls are trying to form a higher low. So the most important levels to be watching, aside from these moving averages that are definitely a factor, is the price action levels. 2233 support, 2476 resistance. And we'll see which breaks first sometime in the next. We could even trade within those levels all week. So it could be a while of low volatility sideways trading. Weekly time frame shows the tight range, trying to get over the middle Bollinger Band resistance for the first time since this dump took place back in April and May, and we're almost doing it by default just because it's dropping so rapidly each week that goes by. 2319 is that level, and the bulls will try and close over that by the end of this week. CHK bears continue to remain in full control, no bullish reversal confirmation candlestick, and we're looking down at our recent low of 405. Then it comes $4 psychological, and then we'll be looking down at 393 as the next level after that. So absolutely no follow through for the bulls. Multiple bullish reversal candlesticks, no confirmation, exponential resistance driving the price to the downside, and the daily RSI is close to being oversold. So we can be getting ready for a short-term oversold bounce, but personally, I would only be looking to play this name bearish. Ever since $5 support was lost on the daily time frame, that was really when the bears kicked it up a notch in terms of their control of the CHK trading. So bears remaining in full control here. We'll see how it continues to play out for the rest of the week. And really all of these names, besides GoPro, after the bullish momentum from earnings, all other names are showing relative weakness in the short term. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.